friends, welcome to the day 29th of our Health and Fitness Club Challenge theme. From past few weeks we were discussing on various health and well-being related topics, and especially yesterday we discussed on toxic chemicals, how we need to be safe from that one, especially for children and for the whole family as well. Today we are going to touch upon one very interesting topic, that is regarding the food supplements, which is very crucial and it is much needed in this fast paced life where we are actually lacking the adequate nutrition which is required for the body. And let's discuss on various insights on what are the benefits of food supplements and what are the risks and who can take, maybe what are the precautions that we need to take while taking the food supplements. Maybe all these things we can touch upon so that you are aware of how we need to use the food supplement wisely and ensure you get educated and you ensure your family also get educated with your help. Okay, so food supplements, as I mentioned, as the name suggests, are added tablets whose purpose is to provide nutrients to the body that are otherwise lacking due to improper diet. As simple as that. Okay, it is important to note that a diet should have sufficient nutrients, but in the case the recommended amount is not consumed, so one cannot take supplements. Understand? Food supplements come in various forms like tablets, pills, syrups, energy bars, as well as powder, which deliver the nutrients like vitamins, minerals, amino acids, fatty acids and enzymes. Okay, supplements cannot replace a balanced diet and cannot give you all the nutrients that a balanced diet can. Okay, first option is have a balanced diet. So our body needs only a recommended amount of nutrients every day, and if you consume more than the body can handle it, actually what happens is it do more harm than good and can even lead to major health conditions. That's correct. You need to be very careful. Let's discuss on few of the benefits of taking food supplements. So people can benefit from food supplements, like some of the benefits I can explain you over here. Okay, so it will give you proper nutrition that might be lacking due to improper diet. Okay, many supplements are filled with antioxidants that can reduce the risk of certain diseases like heart disease and certain cancers. Okay, and it also helps maintaining good health. Okay, and supplements can be consumed by athletes, who are doing more sports activities to enhance their performance. Okay, it can also help you improve your cognitive functions at any age, and it also increase the efficiency of the immune system. Okay, and there are some supplements which actually help you to improve the quality of sleep. Okay, and it also can provide you adequate nutrition for pregnant women. Okay, and who can take these supplements? This is what my question to you. Okay, let me answer this. If you are a healthy person consuming a balanced diet and you are getting the recommended amount of nutrients, you do not need any dietary supplements. If you fall under any of the following categories, you should consult your nutritionist and discuss a plan for food supplements. The categories which I can mention here is especially women who are pregnant or who are trying to get pregnant, okay, and women who are breastfeeding, and people who are above the age of 50, and people who are diagnosed with certain deficiencies, and people who are vegetarian, and people who had recently done the treatment for obesity. Okay, and people who has restricted access for certain food items, allergy, such thing like that. Okay, so how many supplements should you take? Let me cover that one as well. So there is a limited amount of nutrients that your body needs, correct? But if you exceed that limit, the body flushes out the excess nutrients, and in some cases it can even result in health conditions like nausea, stomach cramps, hair loss, fatigue, diarrhea, and even mild nerve damage. Okay, let me cover what happens if you take excess supplements. What are the risks? You should always consult a nutritionist before you start taking any supplements, because excess nutrients can harm you. Like taking vitamin K before surgery can reduce the efficiency of blood thinners, causing the blood to clot actually. Okay, and it also can sometimes can reduce the effectiveness of certain medicines. And too many antioxidants can reduce the efficiency of chemotherapy. Okay, and substituting supplements in place of medicines can actually harm the body. Okay, and vitamin B6 can lead to nerve damage when used for more than a year at high doses. Combining vitamin A with the retinol based acne medications can lead to an excess vitamin A. Okay, and excess vitamin C also can cause diarrhea. So now, how to take supplements properly? Let me cover. So the best practice, the best way is, first thing, you need to consult your family nutritionist and follow the new instructions given either by the manufacturer or the nutritionist who understands about this. Take the right supplements for your body. Be careful if you are on prior medications. And please don't follow these tricks. What is it? Do not self-analyze. Do not follow the trend only to take supplements which your body needs. Do not consume hormonal supplements without consulting a doctor or nutritionist first. Okay? Please take care of all these things. I understand that we are not able to get the adequate nutrition in our current pesticide, chemical based food that is coming onto your plate. But at the same time, it is also important how wisely you are taking supplements, which should actually complement your health, and it should not complicate your health. Okay, please be careful and take the necessary supplementation, as we are not actually getting the proper adequate nutrition, even though we are eating the right amount of food and fruits and vegetables, because all those things are coming from pesticides and a lot of processing actually. Okay, please avoid eating a lot of processing foods. Also eat as natural as possible. Okay, so today we are done with this topic. Hope you follow and get the benefits of how to use the supplements in the right way. Okay, so tomorrow we'll come with another interesting topic. Till then, see you. Bye. Take care. Good night.